Okay, awesome. Now we made it to the traffic section. I think that you are very excited, and I hope that you can't wait to launch your strategic system, your secret affiliate machine, right? So to recap everything, we dug deep into tracking, into connecting everything technically and stuff. But we gotta focus on what we're trying to do here. Okay, so we want to make a passive online income stream by referring people to use ClickFunnels. Okay, we're part of their affiliate program. Okay, and instead of just sending people straight to the sign up page, we use a strategic system. We discussed it on the whiteboard. It's called the secret affiliate machine. We went through the steps. You hopefully watched all of those videos and understood how it pre-frames basically people and puts them in a mode of excitement that they want to start their own online business by being a ClickFunnels affiliate. Okay, and we set everything up, and it's just basically a great system that you're just about to launch, because now we're going to dive into the traffic section, and in particular we're going to start out with free traffic. Okay, because I know that a lot of you guys don't want to spend a lot of money up front. Maybe you don't have it. Maybe you're unsure if it's really going to work out, and that's completely fine, because I know exactly how that feels like. And that's why I included this section in this course. Okay, so but if you still want to try out paid traffic, which is my personal recommendation because it's much more scalable, okay, then we have that section too. So for free traffic, basically what does free traffic mean? Free traffic basically is never free on its own. Okay, so for traffic, either you spend money or you spend time. You have two options. Okay, so depending on which of those options appeals most to you, you can choose whatever you like. Okay, and free traffic is considered organic traffic. Okay, so what we basically do, we create content, that's why it takes time, and put it where traffic already is floating around. Okay, so for example, you could do a YouTube video, okay, talking about how to make a passive online income stream, and pre-frame people that there's this system, this strategic funnel, and then there's this affiliate program of ClickFunnels, and they can make money on their own. Okay, and then you just direct them to your own secret affiliate machine, and you can pre-frame them by saying, hey, listen, this is a 1 hour free training, video training, on how you go from zero to creating your own online business, which is a passive income stream. Okay, and you just send them to your secret affiliate machine. And you upload that video to YouTube, and you can optimize the SEO, the title, the description, and everything. And then you just wait and see how many clicks that video gets, and how many people follow through and click on the on your custom tracking link we set up in ClickMagick for that particular video, which directs them to your secret affiliate machine. Okay, so in the next lectures, we're going to cover a couple of things you can do with free and organic traffic, and I'm pretty excited for you because, you can experiment with a lot of different ways, but always make sure to create a custom tracking link inside of ClickMagick for each traffic source you intend to use, okay? So you know your numbers and you know what converts and what doesn't, okay? So I'm excited for you to start, and I'll see you in the next lecture.